certainly was a windy day in Bentonville, Arkansas. These are examples of the power of Mother Nature. These are holes in rock. So that's the power of water when it comes against rock with a little force, very little in the scheme of things, over time, and other elements besides water, like wind. Look at the sheer force that brought down this tree. It's odd that the wind coming from the southwest would have affected this particular tree. There's a field over there, and I could see it picking up speed, maybe the wind, and then being channeled into this area of buildings. But such force, the force that brought this tree down is incredible. This was an otherwise very healthy tree. In fact, this was called the friendship tree. As you can see, this swing right here. The neighborhood kids, about 5 of them, love this tree, and they called it the friendship tree. However, they're going to have to find another place to celebrate their bond. Reporting live from Bentonville, Arkansas, Rick Patanella.